How to buy an undervalued website on Flippa. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can purchase a undervalued website on Flippa. So let's get into it. Now, Flippa is a platform that will allow you to buy websites. Now, there are a few things that you need to keep in mind when you take a look at undervalued. Now, undervalued is something that means that this website has the potential to make more money, but it is not making that much money, and that is why you want to purchase it. So the reason that you're purchasing on Flippa is so you are going to be able to resell it or to generate more revenue from that website. Now, Flippa is the #1 platform for buying and selling websites, and if we go on to flippa.com, just head on over to flippa.com. You can go into their browse section over here, click on websites, and then you have multiple different options where you can choose what kind of website you want to purchase if you have any preference, but we're just going to go on to all websites. Now, once you go onto all websites, you can even choose your specific monthly profit or the price range. So let's say I don't want to spend over $5,000 on a website. So I'm just going to enter that as the maximum price. Now, once you have done that, you can choose any budget that you want for your website, whatever your budget is. But what we're trying to do over here is that we're trying to find an undervalued website. And an undervalued website is going to be one which has potential to generate more profit. Now, a lot of these websites under $5,000 are not having any revenue. Now, for a website like this one, net profit is this, but it says the annual net revenue is 0, net profit is 0, the net profit is around 1.2. And if they have these low profit and revenues, but that is exactly what you are looking for. You're looking for a website that has a low revenues and profit. Now, lead website design. This is an interesting listing over here. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to open this up. Now, what you're going to do is you're just going to see the site age, the monthly profit, profit margin, page views per month, the revenue, and the profit multiple. Now, what you can do is simply take a look at the website. So we have the lead website design, putting art into technology. Now you can just use this keyword and you can just copy this keyword onto Google. And now once you actually copy this keyword onto Google, you can actually take a look at the website over here. So this will lead you directly to the website that you are trying to purchase, and then you will see this website is for sale. It has a good domain name, leadwd.com. It has blogs, it has SEO tools, products, so it's a good website, but I do think it's a bit unprofessional in some aspects. A website redesign could be initiated on the homepage. A little bit of redesigning could significantly increase the price of this website, and that is exactly how you are going to do this. So once you have taken a look and you think that a good redesign could help the website out, you can also go on ahead and choose and take a look at the backlinks. I'm pretty sure that this website has very few backlinks. So for this, just open up Google and search for domain ranking. Just search for domain ranking checker. Now you have the Ahrefs or the Ahrefs, whatever you might want to call it, the website authority checker. This is a simple checker that will enable you to know the strength of a domain name. I don't usually use this metric, but this metric just basically tells you how many larger authoritative domain names are linking back to this website. So maybe a large reason for this could be that this website does not have great backlinks. So we're just going to click on check authority. Now you can see it has a very low domain rating. It has 404k backlinks and 1k website linking websites. So it has a bunch of different domain names, domains that are linking back to it, but none of them seem to be strong domain names, and that is another reason why this is not profitable currently. If you are able to build backlinks for this website, or even just build internal linking mechanisms, so internal web page linking, then you'll be significantly increasing the backlinking prospects of this website. And once you do that, you're going to be able to generate more revenue from this website. Now, you also have the backlink checker where you can just copy the domain name and you can go into the backlink checker over here. And then you're just going to check the backlinks. And now you can see the domain rating, the top 100 backlinks, and you can just see in the top 100 backlinks, we don't have a lot of, large pages linking back to this website, the referring domain. So a lot of these websites that are being used as backlinkers for this website are already linking a bunch of other websites as well, and they have 0 to no traffic. So that is exactly why the backlinking rating or the domain rating is very low. Although it has over 400k backlinks, it is not very strong because of the domain authority of the backlinking websites. If you get a few legitimate backlinks, if you're able to get one backlink from IMDb, that would increase your domain rating from 0 to 25. And this domain has 400k and the domain rating is only 28. So building a few organic or backlinks would be a great way to improve this website. And once you have evaluated whether or not this website will be able to get more revenue or build more revenue or profit, then you can go on ahead and place a bid. They also have a buy it now offer, but I would never recommend that you do that on Flippa. Just place a bid around the same price that's currently going on. So I would place a bid for around $4,000, and then you're going to fix any API issues that the website might have, any SEO issues. A lot of these websites are only SEO optimized on the home pages, so you can optimize the SEO for the rest of the website as well, and that would be a great way for you to be able to optimize this and resell it at a higher price. Now, going on ahead, you need to also evaluate your budget. So let's say you want to go even lower and you want to find a website within $500. Now that is very, very low, but you still can find some good websites in that specific price range. It really doesn't matter the price range that you have as long as you're able to understand the evaluation and how to upgrade that website. Just find a undervalued website, and a great way to also do that is to look at the keyword. So identity protection deals. Now I'm going to open up this website over here, and we're just going to copy this and we're just going to open this up in Google. Now, this is not showing up in the top results in Google. That means that this website is not targeting the perfect keywords, and that also gives you an idea that it's not probably going to be a good website to purchase. Now, what you're going to do is once you see the website that you're going to buy, let's say it's going to be the lead WD, then search for the keyword. So just a keyword like leads, that's the keyword. Then just go ahead and search for that keyword in a keyword searcher and see the relevant keywords that are available for that specific website domain name, because the domain name is going to be very essential to any website. And you're going to search that it is a high traffic domain name. If this specific word is actually getting any traffic, leads is a very popular keyword, so it is going to generate a bunch of traffic. And just by identifying these metrics, you're going to be able to evaluate the low performing yet high potential websites on Flippa. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.